The distance between galaxies is so vast that even Star Wars treated intergalactic travel as a near miracle. But how long would it actually take to reach our closest cosmic neighbor? The Andromeda Galaxy sits about 2.5 million light-years away, meaning the light we see from it tonight began its journey when early humans first walked the Earth. If we used the fastest spacecraft ever built, it would still take roughly 3.9 billion years to get there. And here's the twist. By the time we arrived, Andromeda wouldn't even be in the same place. It's racing toward the Milky Way at 250 kilometers per second and will collide with us in about 4.5 billion years. Even if we launched today, we'd only meet it halfway after nearly 1.7 billion years. That's how unimaginable these distances are. And Andromeda is just one galaxy among 2 trillion scattered across the universe, a reminder of how small we truly are in this endless cosmic sea.